Hello friends, we are studying the classification of plants, and in that the kingdom Plantae we are going to study about more details. And in that part, in that classification, the first subkingdom, that is the cryptogams, we have studied in last video. Today we are going to study about the phanerogams. Phanerogams are such type of plants which are having flowers, fruit and seeds. Okay, this one is a subkingdom, that is the cryptogams, where flowers, fruits and seeds were absent. So this is the first subkingdom, while phanerogams is the second subkingdom of Plantae. So in this, the most important character is that these plants having fruits, seeds and flowers. Okay, so to understand the more details about it, like this video first. Those who are first comer to the channel, subscribe this channel and share it to others. So we are going to study about the more details about the phanerogams, classification of phanerogams and their examples. Now the first thing is to remember that this type of plants having fruit, that is seeds, fruits, flowers. Okay. The types of plants having special structure for reproduction and reproduces seeds are called phanerogams. Types of plants which are having special structure for reproduction and produces seeds. Special structure for reproduction and produces seeds. This type of plants are called phanerogams. Now these seeds contain the embryo and stored food. That stored food is used for initial growth of embryo in their germination. Seeds are, in some plants, seeds are enclosed in a fruit, while in some plants, seeds are not enclosed inside the fruit. There are two types of plants whose seeds are enclosed in a fruit are called gymnosperms, while the plants whose seeds are enclosed in a fruits are called angiosperms. Seeds are not enclosed in a fruit are called gymnosperms, and seeds are enclosed in a fruit that are called angiosperms. या प्रकारच्या वनस्पतींचे एक सगळ्यात वैशिष्ट्य मोठं म्हणजे यांना फुलं, फळं आणि बिया असतात. त्यांनाच आपण अँजिओस्पर्म्स असं म्हणतो. मराठीमध्ये त्याला अवृत्तबीजी असं म्हणतात. यांच्या फळाच्या आतमध्ये जे स्टोर्ड फूड असतं, फळाच्या आतमध्ये एम्ब्रिओ, भ्रूण आणि स्टोर्ड फूड म्हणजे साठवलेलं अन्न असतं. हे साठवलेलं अन्न त्यांच्या बीजांकुरणामध्ये प्राथमिक अवस्थेमध्ये त्याचा वापर होत असतो. काही वनस्पतींच्या बिया, काही वनस्पतींच्या मध्ये बिया फळाच्या आतमध्ये बंदिस्त असतात, तर काहींच्या मध्ये बिया फळांच्या आतमध्ये बंदिस्त नसतात. ज्या वनस्पतींमध्ये बिया फळाच्या आतमध्ये बंदिस्त असतात त्यांना आपण अँजिओस्पर्म्स असं म्हणतो, आणि ज्यांच्यामध्ये बंदिस्त नसतात म्हणजे फळाचं आवरण नसतं त्यांना आपण जिम्नोस्पर्म्स म्हणजे अनावृत्तबीजी आणि अँजिओस्पर्म म्हणजे आवृत्तबीजी असं म्हणतो. तर आपण आता याच्या क्लासिफिकेशन कडे जाणार आहे. लेट्स गो टू द क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ phanerogams. Phanerogams types of plants are classified into two divisions, that is the angiosperms and gymnosperms and angiosperms. Now more details about the gymnosperms. Gymno means naked and sperms means seeds. So naked seeds, that is the seeds are open, they are not enclosed in the fruit. So this type of plants whose seeds are not enclosed in the fruit are called the gymnosperms, that is naked seeds are there. These type of plants like cycas, Christmas tree, hibiscus lily are called garden plants. Okay, these are garden plant type of plants. Gymnosperms are mostly evergreen plants. Mostly they are evergreen, very green. This type of plants are perennial plants. Okay, perennial, that is they live many years. Perennial plants and their stems are woody. कठीण असतं थोडंसं, लाकडी स्वरूपाचं, काष्टमय त्याला मराठीमध्ये म्हणतात. पेरनियरला बहुवार्षिक असं म्हणतात, बहुत साल, woody. Stems are without branches. They do not having branches. Instead of branches, they are having long leaves, and these leaves form a crown. त्यांचं एक मुकुट तयार होतं. We will see in the picture. This type of plants bear male and female flowers in a same plant, but these male and female gametes are found on a different sporophylls. त्यांचे स्पोरोफिल जे असतात, बीजपत्र असतात, ते वेगवेगळे असतात, पण एकाच प्लांटवरती सापडतात. ते म्हणजे दोघांचे असे फिमेल प्लांट आणि मेल प्लांट असे डिफरंट प्लांट नसतात. मेल अँड फिमेल both gametes are present in a same plant but on a different sporophyll, that is वेगवेगळ्या बीजपत्रावर असतात. Seeds of these plants do not have natural covering like a fruit. सीड्सचं नॅचरल कव्हरिंग फ्रूट असतं, तर अशा प्रकारचं नॅचरल कव्हरिंग त्यांच्याकडे नसतं. Seeds of these plants do not have natural covering like a fruit, and some examples are morapanki, devdar. These are some examples. Now we are going to see the pictures of these plants. This is the picture of a cycas plant. See that they do not having branches, and like these are the leaves which form the crown. Okay, so these are also the leaves. Okay, long leaves, and they form a crown on the upper part, that is, this is the part where seeds are present. These are not having a natural covering like a fruit. These are open, not enclosed. So these are the types of gymnosperms plants. Okay, the stem is woody. And such type of plants are perennial plants. Always we watching these plants in a garden. So this is the example of a gymnosperms type of a plant. The second division of phanerogram is angiosperms. Angiosperms means seeds are enclosed in the fruits. Okay. So in this type of plants, the flowers of these plants bear reproductive organs. This type of plants have bearing reproductive organ. That is the fruit, seeds, all that. Flowers develop into fruit first. Flowers develops into fruit and seeds are formed within the fruit. या प्रकारच्या वनस्पतींमध्ये रिप्रोडक्टिव्ह ऑर्गन असतो. पहिल्यांदा त्यांची फुलं असतात, ते फ्रूटमध्ये डेव्हलप होतात आणि त्या फ्रूटच्या आतमध्ये सीड्स तयार होतात. Seeds are covered by a natural covering, that is the fruit. Okay, so we can say that fruit is a natural covering of seeds, and plants where seeds are covered by a natural covering like a fruit, these type of plants are called angiosperms. That angio means the cover and sperms, that is the seeds. So that is the angiosperms, means seeds having a cover. Seeds can be divided into two halves. Sometimes they can be divided into two halves or not. Okay, if the seeds of plants are divided into two equal halves, such type of plants are called dicotyledons. Okay, seeds can be divided into two equal halves. This type of plants are called dicotyledon. And seeds cannot be divided into two equal halves. This type of plants are called monocotyledon. So in this angiosperms, subdivisions are dicotyledon and monocotyledon. या प्रकारच्या वनस्पतींमध्ये रिप्रोडक्टिव्ह ऑर्गन, फुलं, फळं असतात, बिया असतात, त्या बियांना नॅचरल कव्हरिंग असतं, म्हणून त्यांना अँजिओस्पर्म्स असं म्हणायचं. यांच्या बिया 2 हाफमध्ये डिवाइड करता येतात किंवा करता येत नाही. या आधारावर त्यांचे 2 भाग केलेले, 2 गट त्यांचे सब डिव्हिजन पडलेले. एक आहे डायकॉटिलिडॉन आणि दुसरा आहे मोनोकॉटिलिडॉन. द्विदल आणि एकदल, की ज्यांच्यामध्ये द्विदलमध्ये 2 भाग करता येतात आणि एकदलमध्ये 2 भाग करता येत नाही. So we are going to study about the dicotyledon and monocotyledon and differences between them. Okay, so more details about dicotyledon and monocotyledons. These angiosperms are divided into 2 groups, that is the dicotyledon and monocotyledon. Dicotyledon means plants whose seeds bearing 2 cotyledons, while monocotyledon means plant bearing seeds with a single cotyledon. So there are some basis of a classification which showing the differences between the monocotyledon and dicotyledon. The first basis is a seed. The seed of dicotyledon bearing 2 cotyledons, while seed of monocotyledon type of plants bearing single cotyledon. Now roots of these plants, that is roots of dicotyledon type of plants, are well developed and primary roots are present there. Well developed primary roots are there. While in the monocotyledon there are fibrous type roots are there. In dicotyledon, stem is a strong and hard. Stem is strong and hard, that is banyan tree. वडाच्या झाडाचं stem कसं असतं, strong and hard असतं. But in monocotyledon, stems are hollow, false or disc-like. स्टेम वाटतं पण स्टेम नसतंच ते, बरोबर की नाही. तर स्टेम लाईक स्ट्रक्चर असतं, म्हणजे त्याला फॉल्स स्टेम असं म्हटलंय. तर हॉलो स्टेम बांबूमध्ये सापडतं. वी सी सच टाईप ऑफ स्टेम इन अ बांबू विच इज हॉलो इनसाइड. फॉल्स, दॅट इज द बनाना स्टेम. ओके, देर आर सो मेनी कवरिंग्स, वी कॅन रिमूव्ह दिस कवर्स. सो banana tree showing the stem, but there are some lip-like structures are there. So that is called that is to be a false stem. Okay, onion, disc type of onion stem, disc type atla je. So stem strong and hard, while hollow, disc and false stems. Leaf, in case of leaf we study about the venation. Okay, so in this type of, that is in type of dicotyledons, reticulate venations are there. Okay, people tree, पिंपळाचं पान आपण पुस्तकात घालतो, त्याच्या ज्या अशा जाळीदार शिरावेण्या, जाळी दिसते, त्याला म्हणायचं रेटिक्युलेट वेनेशन. सो लीफ ऑफ dicotyledons showing reticulate venation, while leaf of monocotyledon showing parallel venation. ज्वार आणि वीट, म्हणजे ज्वारी आणि गव्हाची पानं असतात ती उभी कट होतं, ओढलं तर उभं तुटतात, हे बाकी आडवे तिडे तुटतात. त्यामुळे त्याचे वेनेशन्स, शिरा कशा असतात ते बघायचे. त्यांचे जे फ्लॉवर्स असतात, फ्लॉवर्स बेअरिंग 4 or 5 parts, दॅट इज अ टेट्रामोरस और पेंटामोरस. while in monocotyledons, flowers bearing or having only 3 parts or multiple of 3. In here, in dicotyledon, flower having 4 or 5 parts or multiple of 5 and 4. So they are called tetramorous or pentamorous. While as in monocotyledon, flowers having 3 parts or multiple of that, so these are called trimorous. So more details about this dicotyledon and monocotyledon. You may be a question in the exam, distinguish between, write a distinguish between dicotyledon and monocotyledon, and there are so many questions on each part. That is a write a short note on angiosperms, write a short note on gymnosperms, okay, write a short note on phanerogams. So all that I have given some notes in this lecture, so copy it in your notebook and buy it or read it more and more times. Picture, you are watching some examples of monocotyledon and dicotyledon. So this is the example of mustard. Okay, मोहरीचं उदाहरण आहे. The seeds of mustard contain only one cotyledon, that is single cotyledon. So their roots are fibrous, and venation is a parallel venation. Look at this. This is the parallel venation. Parallel venation is there. Fibrous roots are there, and flower bearing 3 or multiple of 3 parts. Okay. So this is the more details. Okay. This is the example of monocotyledon. This one is the example of also monocotyledon maize. They are having a seeds, the maize having seeds of seeds only single cotyledon. Is it clear? So these are the more details about the monocotyledon and dicotyledon, and we have completed the lesson, that is the kingdom Plantae, classification of a plant. So to study this lesson from the first video to last third video, simultaneously you have to watch them, share it, like these videos, and subscribe the channel. If you are new on this channel, then subscribe the channel. या पाठाचा सगळा भाग आपण 3 व्हिडिओज मध्ये घेतलेला आहे. या व्हिडिओच्या पाठोपाठ मी या पाठाची पूर्ण प्लेलिस्ट पाठवेन, ते तुम्ही पहा, शेअर करा, लाईक करा. तुम्ही जर नवीनच या चॅनलवर असाल तर निश्चितपणे सबस्क्राईब करा, म्हणजे तुम्हाला यापुढचे व्हिडिओज पटकन मिळतील. ओके, धन्यवाद. याचा मराठीचा जो ट्रान्सलेशन असलेले व्हिडिओ असते ते 3 किंवा 2 व्हिडिओजमध्ये हा लेसन पूर्ण संपवलेला असेल. जर समजा इंग्लिशमध्ये थोडंफार नाही कळालं तर ते मराठीतले व्हिडिओ पहा आणि मग इंग्लिशमधले व्हिडिओ पहा, तुम्हाला सेम जाणवेल. ओके, आणि तुम्हाला ते कळायला मदत होईल. हॅव अ गुड डे.